In this tutorial, I will show you how to update Intel graphic driver in Windows 11 in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, click on search and type device manager and open it. Now expand display adapters. Here Intel HD graphics should appear. After this expand processes, from here you can see your device generation. Note it and close this window. Now from desktop, open any of the browser and here search for list of Intel drivers. Now open this top website from the list of Intel drivers. Now scroll down and click on the window having your computer. Here you can see drivers according to the generation of device. Click on the driver of your device generation. Now click on download. After few moments, this download pop-up will appear. Just click on it. It will automatically start installation. Now you have to click on begin installation. Then click on I agree and then click on start. After this, latest Intel driver will be installed in your PC or laptop. In the end, you have to restart your PC to apply the changes. So that's how you can update Intel graphic drivers in Windows 11 in just few easy steps.